Hey everyone, and welcome to our countdown of the most amazing scientific discoveries of 2024. From cool new medicines to awesome space stuff, this year has been a wild ride of learning, showing us more about the universe and ourselves than ever before. Imagine a year where we get better at fighting HIV, learn how the brain works, find new planets, and even rewrite human history. Well, it's not a dream. 2024 has been full of amazing discoveries, and I can't wait to share them with you. So get ready, open your minds, and let's explore the most awesome scientific discoveries of 2024. Prepare to be amazed. Everyone, meet Lenaav, a new tool in our fight against HIV. This isn't just another medicine, it's a brand new type of long-acting HIV capsid inhibitor. Why is that important? Well, HIV is a tricky virus, always changing and escaping our attempts to stop it. But lenacapavir works differently. It attacks the virus's protective shell called the capsid. By blocking the capsid, lenacapavir stops HIV from copying itself. This could be a huge change for millions living with HIV, giving them a better life. The future of HIV treatment is looking brighter. Get ready, because scientists have done something amazing. They've made a complete map of a fruit fly's brain. Now, I know what you're thinking, a fly's brain, but these little guys have surprisingly complex brains with over 100,000 parts working together. This map shows us how all these parts connect, giving us a never-before-seen look at how a brain works. Understanding a fly's brain might seem small, but it's a huge step for brain science. This could help us understand bigger brains like ours and maybe even find new treatments for brain problems. Calling all space fans. Scientists have found another planet around a faraway star, and it's a special one. It's called a super-Earth, bigger than our planet but smaller than Neptune. And it's in the habitable zone. That's the perfect distance from its star, where the temperature is just right for liquid water, which is important for life. Finding a planet in this Goldilocks zone is always exciting. Is there life on this super-Earth? We don't know yet, but this discovery makes us wonder and reminds us that we might not be alone in space. The search for alien life continues. Get ready for a surprise. A new study shows that Neanderthals and humans, Homo sapiens, were much closer than we thought. We knew they sometimes mixed, but this study shows us exactly when. Turns out our ancestors weren't just living near each other, they were sharing genes. This makes human history even more interesting and shows that our past is more mixed up than we thought. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, you might have a little bit of Neanderthal in you. Get ready for some serious science. Two of the most powerful technologies, CRISPR and artificial intelligence, are teaming up. CRISPR lets us make tiny changes to DNA, while AI can look at tons of information. Imagine AI looking at all that DNA data, finding spots for CRISPR to change, and even guessing what will happen. This could change medicine forever, helping us make personalized treatments, cure genetic diseases, and even make humans better. The future of medicine just got a huge upgrade. Imagine a simple blood test that could find early signs of brain problems, maybe years before you notice anything. That might be possible soon. Scientists have made a blood test that can find special proteins linked to brain issues. These proteins are like clues showing changes in the brain that happen with diseases like Alzheimer's. Finding these problems early is super important for treating them. This could change how we think about brain health and give hope to millions. Knowing is powerful, especially when it comes to our health. Let's travel back in time to a world of ancient reptiles. Scientists found the oldest reptile skin ever, 289 million years old. This amazing fossil, found in Oklahoma, shows us what these early reptiles looked like and how they lived, helping us understand life on Earth way back then. This skin saw ecosystems come and go, survived huge disasters, and saw evolution happen. It connects us to a distant past and reminds us how tough and diverse life is. The past helps us understand the present. Space is full of surprises. This year, Neptune and Uranus showed off their new moons. These new moons are probably stuck in the planet's gravity from long ago. They're small and dim, but they teach us about how these planets formed. Each new moon is like a new part of our solar system story, showing us how gravity works in space. The exploration of our solar system continues. Deep in caves in Patagonia, Argentina, scientists found something amazing. The oldest cave art in South America, over 12,000 years old. These ancient paintings show animals like guanacos, horses and birds, giving us a peek into the lives and beliefs of our ancestors. Imagine the people who made these paintings, the stories they told, and the world they lived in. It reminds us of the power of art and how it connects us through time. The past speaks to us through art. Get ready to meet some new creatures. Scientists found 190 new species, showing how much life is still out there. These new species include a see-through moth, a vegetarian piranha that eats seeds, and many other cool creatures. Each new species reminds us how amazing life on Earth is and why we need to protect it. The adventure of discovery never ends. Hold on tight. Physicists made a new kind of matter that's both light and matter. This weird state happens when light particles, called photons, get so close to matter that they act like one thing. This amazing discovery could change how we understand quantum mechanics and lead to new technologies like better solar panels and faster computers. The future of technology is looking bright. The fight against Alzheimer's just got more focused. A new study shows there are 5 different types of Alzheimer's, each with its own causes. This could change how we diagnose and treat this terrible disease, leading to more personalized treatments for each type. Understanding the different types could help us find better treatments and maybe even a cure. Hope for Alzheimer's patients just got stronger. Imagine a disaster that ruins our food. What would we eat? Scientists think seaweed might be the answer. A new study says seaweed farming could be a good food source after a nuclear war or volcano eruption. Seaweed is healthy, grows fast, and can live anywhere, making it perfect for emergencies. So next time you eat sushi, think about seaweed. It might save the world one day. Nature is amazing. Scientists found that tiny clams called heart cockles have built-in fiber optics in their shells. These tiny windows use special structures to send light inside, where tiny algae live. These algae are like tiny solar panels, using the light to make energy for the cockle. This shows how clever nature is and how it creates amazing solutions. The natural world is full of wonders. For a long time we didn't talk much about men's mental health, but a new study shows a link between low testosterone and anxiety in men. This shows how important it is to talk about men's hormones and mental health, changing old ideas about being manly and encouraging open conversation. Men's mental health is important, and understanding how biology affects it is key to helping them. Let's end the silence and help men get the support they need. Thanks for joining me on this adventure through the coolest scientific discoveries of 2024. From fighting diseases to exploring space, this year has shown us the power of human curiosity, but this is just the start. Every discovery leads to new questions, making us want to learn more. So stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions. The world of knowledge is huge and amazing. Go out and explore.